obvious way to go.
Yeah, it's just.
And Finland, of course, the ferries are only 2 hours.
Yeah, and Finland is big, of course, but the Helsinki area, and they have been in there, and they made a calculation that the fire brigade city of the Helsinki, to them is shorter and cheaper to come to Estonia, to our Tallinn is in here, yeah? We have our training ground, Gert Teder have been in there, in city of village, in the eastern part, where our training area for our firefighters, the fire school is in there. And the Finland, the fire school is 400 kilometers in Kuopio. Maybe you have been somebody in there. And the fire brigade of the Helsinki, they made a calculation that the cheaper and shorter version to come in the morning by the ferry to Tallinn, then 100 kilometers to the Väike-Maarja, whole day training, and in the evening back to Finland, instead to come to Kuopio. Of course, the Ministry of Interior killed this calculation immediately. They can't come. Yeah, but yeah, it's very easy. I don't know the situation right now, but the most active ferry traffic, we had 18 ferry boats a day between Tallinn and Helsinki. Basically, you don't even need to think about what time. But once I remember, you didn't get the tickets. In some reason, the ferry was full.
Yeah.
It's a slave ferry. If you go, it's Monday morning. If the Estonians go to the job, to the work in Finland, and then the second slave ferry is the Friday evening back. We call them the slave ferries. And then it could happen that you can't get a ticket, but then you just need to wait another 2 hours and then jump to the second one. Yeah, and then of course we try to do some kind of cooperation between EU as much as we can. And our forest fire experts have been in courses and trainings in France. And I think it's clever to you to visit the countries where they really have the forest fires. But again, they need to understand that you have a little different forest in your country than they have. Portugal, for example, Greece, Cyprus, Canada. Yeah, but the Canada is again, maybe it's too massive forest in there.
Yeah, but they have a very impressive.
Yeah. I think they are absolutely on the top in this world. And for you, it's very easy, I think, to go and understand each other. But again, the Icelandic question is, you just need to think about this, the regulations. Maybe they have something different. For example, I don't think so that the Canada Fire Brigade knows something about the storage complex.
Yes, and because.
Yeah, sandwiches are in here. Questions, comments, or sandwiches? Why did I ask? Never ask the question, answer so no.